How do I remove my AirPods from Find My iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to remove your AirPods from Find My iPhone. This can be very helpful if you've sold or given away your AirPods, or if you just want to disconnect them from the Find My network. So, let's get started.
What do you need?
Firstly, let's make sure we have everything we need. 1. Your iPhone or iPad. 2. The latest version of iOS or iPad OS. 3. Your Apple ID and password. Remember that it's important to keep your devices up to date to ensure they work smoothly and you can take advantage of the latest features and security enhancements.
How to access Find My app?
Next, let's find the Find My app. 1. Unlock your iPhone or iPad. 2. Swipe down on the home screen to access the search bar. 3. Type Find My and tap on the app when it appears in the search results. This app is designed to help you locate your missing devices, but today, we're using it to remove a device.
How to locate your AirPods?
Once we're in the Find My app, we need to locate your AirPods. 1. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. 2. Scroll through the list to find the name of your AirPods. It's crucial to identify your AirPods correctly as we don't want to accidentally remove the wrong device.
How to remove AirPods?
Now, we're at the critical step, removing your AirPods from Find My iPhone. 1. Tap on the name of your AirPods in the device list. 2. Scroll down and tap on Remove this device. 3. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the removal. Important. Removing the device will turn off Find My iPhone for your AirPods, and they will no longer be available for tracking. And that's it. You've successfully removed your AirPods from Find My iPhone. This process is simple, but if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you.